So our strengths are that it's really well supported and
Show me what you mean by well supported.
So, like, in here on the top frame where the weights on the board will sit, we've all got our supports in here, through here, so it's not just going to be crushed by it. But we did have a couple of weaknesses because we did
Are you done with your strengths?
Yeah. But for weaknesses, we did have a break in here, right here, so we did have to fix that up a bit, so because this whole box just fell out, and so from there but after I got it fixed up and everything, so it shouldn't make too big of a difference. And probably what we could have done better is we probably could have made it a little more symmetrized, because it's a little wonky from place to place, and so that would probably help. It probably would have done better for it. So
Okay.
it's a balsa wood bridge, and I hope it holds 100 pounds.
Anything else you want to add?
No.
Okay, can you tell me what a girder on there is?
The girder is these main columns going straight down.
So the columns are the girders?
No, I'm sorry. I believe the girders are going across here.
Okay, so the girders are the cross-tied
Yep.
pieces?
And
And what's a column?
the column is a straight up and down beam.
Okay.
Right here.
So what's the diagonal beams, Dallas?
the diagonal beams, I think, are the one that go diagonally.
Yes, and what are they called?
I don't know, but I know the design is called a webbing.
That's called webbing. Yes, that's correct. That's what it's called. It's called webbing. Okay. And what type of bridge is this?
This is a truss bridge.
A truss bridge. And tell us about what happened on the top of your bridge.
On the top of our bridge, we had a problem because we didn't think about what happened. We didn't think about how we were going to put the weights on it, so we had to rebuild an extra frame for the weights to sit on top. So we just, pretty much this whole piece on here is just for the weights to sit on. Because when we first built it, it was just right here. This was the top right here, this diagonal bit.
Right. In a regular bridge situation, that wouldn't be a problem, but for
No.
this, it was. Okay. And what is that part down here called, Dallas? What's this down here at the bottom of your bridge called?
Substructure?
Good, that's your substructure. Good. All right. And then you guys did something unique with your bridge that not everybody did. What did you put in your bridge?
We did a road base because we didn't realize that the balsa wood bridges didn't have to have a road base, but we actually did do one. So,
Okay, very good. Anything you want to add, either one of you?
I don't think so.
All right, well, let's go break your bridge.